In this video, I'll show you how to run a private AI chatbot directly from a USB drive. Yes, you heard that right. You can plug a USB drive into your computer, run one file, and start using a local AI chatbot without installing everything manually on your main PC. The best part is that once the setup is completed, the AI can run locally on your computer, which means you don't need to send your chats to any online server. So, your conversations stay private and you can use the AI even when you don't have internet access. This type of setup is useful if you want a portable AI assistant for coding help, writing, learning, or testing local AI models on different computers. Now let's start the setup. First, open your browser and go to the GitHub repository link given in the description. This GitHub repo is created by Tech Jarvis, so credit goes to him. I'll use this repo for the startup and explain the full process step by step. So once this page opens, click on the download option and download the repository as a zip file. After the download is complete, go to your downloads folder and extract the zip file. After extracting, you will get a folder containing all the required setup files. Now connect your USB drive to the computer. After that, I recommend formatting the USB drive. To do so, right-click on your USB drive and select Format. In the File System option, choose XFAT because it supports large files and works well for this type of portable setup. Keep the allocation unit size as the default. Give your USB drive any name if you want. Click on Start. You will see a warning that all data will be erased. Click on OK. Once the format is done, your USB drive is ready for the portable AI setup. Now open the folder that you extracted earlier. Select everything inside the extracted folder and copy it. Now, open your USB drive and paste all the files directly into the root of the USB drive. Do not keep the files inside another folder. This is important. The file should be directly visible when you open the USB drive. Now look for the file name install.bat. This is the file that will prepare your USB drive and install the required local AI components. Double-click on install.bat. After that, a command prompt window will open. Just press any key on your keyboard. Now you will see different AI model options. Here, NemoFlex Unleashed is the recommended option. It gives better responses, but it needs a decent PC. Dolphin Llama 3 is also a good option if you want something slightly lighter. Mistral is good for coding and Qwen 2.5 is good for multilingual use. And if you have a low-end PC, you can choose Llama 3.2 or Phi 3.5 Mini because these are lightweight models. For most users, I recommend choosing option 1, Nemo Mix Unleashed 12B. Here, 12B equals to 12 billion parameters. Parameters are like the AI model's brain size. Higher B equals to smarter and better answers, but it needs more RAM, storage, and processing power. For this tutorial, I'll use option 2. Press Enter. Now the installation process will begin. During this process, the script will download the selected AI model, Ollama, anything LLM, and other necessary files. Depending on your internet speed, USB speed, and system performance, this process may take some time. So, let the process complete properly and do not close the command prompt window. During this process, the Anything LLM installation window will open. Here, when the installer asks for the installation location, do not install it on your C drive. You need to install it inside the Anything LLM folder on your USB drive. For example, in my case, my USB drive letter is E, so I will select this path. After that, wait for Anything LLM installation to finish. If it asks to download the Meeting Assistant model, you can click No because it's optional and not required for this tutorial. After Anything LLM is installed successfully, do not close the command prompt window. Now it will start importing the AI model into the Ollama engine. In my case, it's importing Dolphin 2.9 Llama 3. This step can take a long time. For me, it stayed on the screen for around 30 to 40 minutes. So, if it looks stuck here, don't close the window immediately. Just wait patiently and let it complete the process. Once the import process is complete, it will ask you to press any key. After pressing any key, the installer will close and the command prompt window may also close automatically. After the installation is complete, your USB drive will have the required files to run the local AI chatbot. Now look for the file name start_windows.bat file. Double click on it. After a few moments, the chatbot interface should open automatically. The interface is powered by Anything LLM. Anything LLM gives you a clean chat interface where you can talk to your local AI model, create workspaces, manage chats, and configure different settings. First, you need to create a workspace. You can create separate workspaces for different tasks. For example, you can create one workspace for coding, one for writing, one for learning, and one for general chat. For this video, I'll create a new workspace for coding. I'll name it Coding Assistant. After creating the workspace, open its settings. Now go to Chat Settings. Now, find the option called Workspace LLM Provider. From the list, select Ollama. Ollama is the tool that runs the AI model locally on your computer. After selecting Ollama, Anything LLM should automatically detect the AI model that we downloaded during the setup process. By default, the chat mode option may be set to agent, but for normal chatbot use, I recommend changing it to chat. Now scroll down to the system prompt section. A system prompt is basically an instruction that tells the AI how it should behave. Since I am creating this workspace for coding, I'll give it a coding assistant prompt. For example, I can write, "You are a helpful coding assistant. Explain code clearly, give beginner-friendly examples, and provide clean working code with commands when needed." Now save or update the workspace settings. Now let's test if everything is working. Go back to the chat screen. To prove that this is running offline from our local USB setup, I'm going to disconnect my PC from the internet. So now Wi-Fi is turned off and the computer is offline. Now I'll give it a simple coding prompt like, write a simple Python program to create a to-do list app. If everything is configured correctly, the AI should start replying even without internet. That means your local AI chatbot is working successfully. You may also see performance details like response speed, tokens per second, and processing time. These numbers help you understand how fast the model is running on your system. If you are using a powerful PC, the responses will be faster. But if your PC has low RAM or an older processor, the responses may be slower. That is completely normal. Now let me show you how to create a new chat. Inside the same workspace, click on the New Thread option. This will start a fresh conversation, so your previous chat will not mix with the new one. Now I'll test another prompt. This time, I'll ask, write a simple C++ program to check whether a number is prime or not. And again, the AI gives us the answer in a new conversation. So, using this feature, you can create separate chats for different coding problems, different projects, or different topics. And one more important thing, you are not limited to only one model. With this setup, you can download and use different local AI models depending on your needs. So, that's how you can run a private local AI chatbot directly from your USB drive. With this setup, you can carry your AI assistant with you, plug it into any computer, and use it for writing, coding, learning, research, and productivity. Once the setup is complete, you can use it without depending on any online AI service.